My name is Sanjeev Mohan and I am an independent analyst. I worked for my own company called SanjMo. Prior to that, I was a Gartner analyst for many years. People ask me, is data access control a category by itself? Because we know that every provider is going to add their own native capabilities. So here comes the rub. Yes, Snowflake can add its capabilities, Databricks can add its capabilities, but a modern data stack or a modern data architecture is an amalgamation of a number of products. Imagine having data access for each and individual product. That would be unmanageable. So the reason why I feel that this is such an important topic for us to consider is because we need some way to consistently enforce the policies irrespective of what platform, which cloud provider it's in. So I need the ease, the user experience of creating my policies. I need this ability to have very low latency. Also, we need scale. These are all very critical evaluation criteria for picking a data security platform. I have to deliver some bad news. Modern data stack is a massive, complex jumble of a very large number of technologies and products. How do you secure all the moving pieces, all the building blocks of a modern data stack is a big challenge. If every one of these building blocks had its own native data security posture or data security policy management, I would need to have 10, 15 different technologies that I'm independently securing. I'm trying to move away from data silos and I'm creating data security silos. So I need an ability to bring these all together. And so this is the reason why I like the data security platform products like Immuta so much, because that way we can centralize the policy definition so it's consistently applied irrespective of which product I'm using, which cloud provider I'm using. This way, I now not only do I have consistency, I have a higher user experience. I'm using the native capabilities to elastically scale and reduce the latency that security layer has on data access. What other problems are customers asking me about? Well, one of the biggest problems is that businesses want access to data as fast as they can. To solve this problem, we are moving into more of a decentralized world. Some people call it data mesh. Whether you use data mesh or not, it is a great discipline to have data products. So the domain developers are now accountable for the quality and the availability of data. Now the question comes, how do you secure it? There's this very important concept in data mesh called federated computational governance. Federated means that you have some policies that the domains execute and there's some policies that you execute centrally because of the nature. So Immuta provides this fine-grained control to decide when do you enforce local policies versus when do you enforce global policies. What you really need is a cross-functional security. So I'm really glad to hear that Immuta got the Data Security Partner of the Year award, because it shows that how you can create a cross-platform layer, and that way you can then consistently secure and govern all the building blocks of your modern architecture.